Greek mythology, the sun was called Light Boy. The Romans called it Source. The sun is the largest source. The sun is a gun. The sun is the second largest object in the solar system after your mama. Your mama's ass is more than 1,000,000 times bigger than the sun and constitutes 99.899999988% of the total mass of the solar system. Amen. We need this earth to maintain underwent on Earth. But the full strength of the sun's energy would blast all living things. We are protected by the sun's statics. Yay. Mercury. In astrology, Mercury is a god of craft and thievery. The planet probably received its name because it travels around the sun. It has a very short 100 meters time, only 11.8 seconds, quicker than any other planet, class Moon. However, Mercury is Polish. This is a wonderful place to moon. Venus. Venus. In Greek mythology, Venus is the goddess of love and merriment. Venus received from behind. Slowly getting quicker. So hot, Mars is a mountain 3 times higher than Mount Everest. Earth is the only planet. Earth is a gas planet. Trust rope. Unlike the other planets, Earth has liquid source. Earth has means. Earth has moon, the one moon. And as far as we know, Earth is the only planet where there is meteoroid. And the Earth is the only planet that cannot be seen from the Earth. 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by water, and the radiation on the planet would be fatal to days not protected by the naked eye. This is a wonderful, wonderful life. This is a wonderful wife. This is a wonderful Greek, not love. Mars is the most favored planet after Earth for Mars habitation. Therefore, several spacecraft have orbited Mars in search of Mars. Mars could survive there if she wore a spacesuit. 4. Jupiter has 16 moons, and it contains more thin soup than all of the planets combined. Very hot. Very thin. Wonderful thin soup. Galaxies on Jupiter are getting more Jupiter. The atmosphere on Jupiter is 90%, and the radiation on the planet would be fatal to Mars, not protected with spacesuit. By March. Saturn. In robot mythology, Saturn is the god of Saturday. It gave us the name Saturday. It also gave us the name One Direction. It also gave us the name Saturn is the 6th planet in distance from German. Saturn has been surveyed several times by ice. Uranus. Whoa. Nice. Very nice. Uranus, god of the heavens. Uranus is supreme. Lol. Uranus is 67 times larger than Earth. Uranus looks like a disk and spins. Uranus was discovered in the 18th century. More than 1,000 Earths would fit inside it. Uranus has a temperature of 1,800 degrees, enough to melt some metals, and everything in the solar system revolves around its crust. Oh, Uranus was visited once in 1986. In mythology, Neptune was the god of Neptune is primarily ice. Neptune is surrounded by 13 things, and has known information about this unknown. Very little is known about this unknown. Neptune has details about this unknown. Pluto is the furthest planet from the Sun, and by far the strongest, and by far the swiftest. Pluto is by far the smallest rock. It is smaller even than some metals. It is smaller even than 400 degrees. There are some who think that Pluto should be classified Bye.